Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to share your TikTok profile. If you want to share your TikTok profile with friends, followers, or across other social media platforms, then sharing your profile helps grow your audience and let others find your content easily. First of all, launch the TikTok app open on your Android or iOS device. And then once you're inside the homepage logged into your account, tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. After you open up the profile section, tap on the edit button right next to your name at the top. This will take you to edit profile section from where you can go ahead and tap on your TikTok link right underneath your username. After you tap on the link, this will copy your TikTok profile link. Now, you can share this link via social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. Or you can also share this via messaging apps such as SMS, Messenger, etc. Simply go ahead and open up any social media platforms and paste in the link to one of the contacts. Select a contact and paste in the link and send it to the contact, and your TikTok profile link will be sent to the chosen contact. And that's it. You have successfully shared your TikTok profile, making it easier for friends and followers to find and follow your account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.